Hello everyone, I am taking the network analysis subject. Today I am going to continue the topic parallel connection. Today we will study about the two numericals which is related to the parallel connection. Okay, so one numerical is mentioned here. What is that? We will see here. Two resistors are connected in parallel. If R1 is equals to 5 ohm, R2 is equals to 10 ohm, find the parallel resistor or the equivalent resistance. In short, what is the focus of this intention of this numerical is to calculate the equivalent resistor or to calculate the total resistor or to calculate the parallel resistor. Here there is no discussion about the current, no discussion about the voltage. Neither that is mentioned also. Neither the voltage or the current is mentioned in this numerical. Only simply calculate the parallel resistor. So how we can draw the circuit? So by this numerical we can say two resistors are connected. Okay, R1 is given 5 ohm, R2 is given 10 ohm, and we need to calculate. After getting these two parallel connection, we will get one of the resistor, that is nothing but here the RP, parallel resistor. Okay, so how we can simplify? Okay, we can simplify as in the parallel resistor RP is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here 1 by RP again equals to, here cross multiplication R2 plus R1 divided by R1 into R2. So here will be your RP is equals to R1 R2. The denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will be go in the denominator just because we are cancelling 1 by reciprocal of RP. So now substitute the value of R1 and R2. What is the R1? R1 is 5 here. What is the R2? That is nothing but the 10 here. Again 5 plus 10. It will become as a 50 divided by 15. So if you are going to divide this one, you will get as 3.33 ohm. That is nothing but your the total resistor or the equivalent resistor, or you may say as a what we can say the parallel resistor. Similarly, just take, there will be the minor change. If one of the resistor is mentioned and one other is not mentioned, okay, and the parallel resistor is given, what will be the situation? Okay, same numerical I am going to continue here. What will be the case? We will see. So here just try to understand. If R1 is not mentioned, okay, we need to calculate R1. R2 is mentioned, just assume the what we can say, the we may say as a 10 ohm, and assume here the RP is mentioned as a 5 ohm. Okay, so one of the resistor you need to calculate and the RP is given, that is a parallel resistor is given, and the R2 is mentioned. The circuit will be same here, only the parameter is changes. So how we can do same? We can simplify. RP is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Again, as this is the parallel connection, so here will be the cross multiplication. Okay, here 1 and the R1 into R2 getting. So here again what will here? So R1 will go up, denominator will go on the numerator and numerator will come down. Okay, just to simplify this one. So here already RP is given, so we can write like this also, equals to R1 into R2. Already mentioned, that is a 5 in bracket. This is the unknown, we need to calculate, and the 10 ohm is mentioned. Similarly, that is a 10 into R1 because R2 value is given 10. So here 5 R1 plus 50 is equals to 10 R1. Here 50 will be as it is, 10 R1 minus of this 5 will go there, so it will be the minus. So here will be the 5 R1 into 50. Therefore, what will be the case of R1? That is 50 divided by 5 is equals to 10 ohm. So in this way, today we have learned about the parallel connection. So in the next lecture, we will continue the few numericals and we will go for the series connection. Thank you.